Streetlights blur, a neon haze. Another night lost in the days. Your ghost still dances in my head. Words unsaid, a story unread. This empty room, it screams your name, playing a cruel, familiar game. My heart's a drum, a steady beat, but every rhythm feels incomplete. Oh, the echoes in the static, a melancholic sound lost in the frequency where you can't be found. Synth hooks rising, a bittersweet refrain, trying to break free from this emotional chain. Driving forward, but looking back is true. Oh, every single beat is still for you. I trace the lines of a forgotten dream, caught in the current against the stream. Memories flicker, a fading light, haunting me through the endless night. I try to move on, to find my way, but every step leads me astray. This heavy silence, it weighs me down, lost in the echoes of this lonely town. Oh, the echoes in the static, a melancholic sound lost in the frequency where you can't be found. Synth hooks rising, a bittersweet refrain, try to break free from this emotional chain. Driving forward, but looking back is true. Oh, every single beat is still for you. Maybe someday the signal will clear and these phantom whispers will disappear. But for now I'll chase the ghost of your touch, knowing I loved you oh so much. This driving beat, it keeps me alive through the heartache. I will survive.